Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have more than one research device in Heartopia. So your control console needs to be a minimum of level 3. And then if you want 3 research devices, you'll need to be level 5. And to unlock the last one, you'll need to be level 10. So yeah, just keep on researching devices if you want to unlock more of the roller coaster tracks. They do cost the roaming oak timber and the flawless fluorite for each research, so keep that in mind. And like one track takes like 5 days to do that. So if you want to build a roller coaster, just keep that in mind, all right? Just going to research this track here, but yeah, that's how you can have more than one research device. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, pick the research device that gives you like the most points to research first so that you'll be able to upgrade things a little bit faster. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.